Hello, lovelies. If you truly love your little one or your family as a whole, you will start making your own soya beans at home without any nonsense added. Because believe me, you're not sure of how this soya bean is being produced wherever you buy it from. Making your own soya bean is quite rewarding. Let me take you on a step-by-step way I make my own soya bean at home. All you need to do is to watch this video to the very end. Well, this grain is what we call soya bean, and it is very high in protein and fiber. And as you can see, the first thing you have to do is to pick out the dirt and stone. Believe me, you have to do this. This is very essential. And next thing you do is to pour it, like you see in the video. I poured in my soya bean in a pot and added water. You can do it in two ways. You can either soak these overnight, or you boil it for 30 minutes on medium heat. Well, I soaked mine overnight, and the next morning I just had to start rubbing off the peel, as you would do beans. If you have used your hands to peel beans before, you understand what I'm saying. So just keep rubbing it off, and this step is very essential. The reason why you have to actually peel the back of your soya bean is to make sure you avoid any kind of digestive issues. So the two ways to actually dry this soya bean is to either spread it out to dry under the sun, or oven dry it. Okay, so I just oven dried mine, and then you go ahead to wash and rinse your plantain, your unripe plantain. I went ahead to peel off the peel, and I sliced it thinly, and of course I had to dry this under the sun, and use a dehydrator if you have. So this is dates, also called dabino. This is going to sweeten our soya bean powder. So if you're making this for a baby less than 12 months old, dates is a better option rather than sugar. Okay, so here I've properly washed my dates, and I am deseeding the dates. After doing that, you spread it on your tray to dry under sun, or you can of course use your oven. The next thing to do is to prepare your groundnuts for roasting. If you do not want to go through that, just buy already roasted groundnuts from the market. So guys, if you've watched to this point, please subscribe to this channel, like, and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. If you'd like to know the full measurement of what was used in this video, please visit the description box. Here our groundnut is well roasted, so I went ahead to pour out all our dried grains and ingredients. So the first thing that entered the bowl was the soya bean, the head gale, and then my plantains, a dried dabino, of course the groundnut entered here too. I also added some cashew nuts to this recipe. Guys, believe me, there is no child, there is no baby that would take this deliciousness and not look healthy. I know you guys will be looking to see crayfish. Well, I am not a fan of crayfish and soya bean. Tell me in the comment section if you are. Sorry guys, I completely lost the part where I blended this. So if you have a strong blender, please go ahead and blend this. But if you do not have, please go to the market and blend this properly. So you like to sieve your soya bean powder very well. You'd like it to come out smoothly, especially if you're giving this to a baby. So guys, do not throw away the chaff of the soya bean after sieving. The reason is because it is very high in fiber, and we can actually make magic out of it. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make soya bean chaff cookies. You would love it. So this is what came out from the soya bean, and believe me, this actually lasted for a while for us, and it tasted so nutty and delicious. Bean powder can be enjoyed by babies and by adults also. You can add it to basically anything you like to add it to. So make your own soya bean powder today.